In this video, I will show you how to open Incognito in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can go incognito in Google Chrome. To start with, the first way you can do this is once you've got Google Chrome opened, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, you're going to see an option just down here which says New Incognito Window. Give that a click, and as you can see, that's going to say you've got Incognito, and you can start using Incognito mode on Google Chrome. Now, also, there is a shortcut for this, so if you look again, you can see if you hold down Control, Shift and N, that's also going to open a new Incognito window. And the final way to do this is if you do have Google Chrome pins to your taskbar like I've got here, if you actually right click onto Google Chrome, you'll see you've also got an option to open up a new Incognito window from here. So that is how to go incognito in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.